Welcome to our interior design tutorial, where we'll transform this modern rectangle pool into a stunning and functional oasis. We have a variety of components at our disposal to enhance the pool area. Let's get started. First, we'll spruce up the pool shell. You can choose to paint it or use stylish tiles to give it a fresh and inviting look. Coping and decking are essential for safety and aesthetics. Install durable coping around the pool's edge and choose a stylish deck material like pavers or wood to create a comfortable lounging area. Now, let's install a pool liner. It not only adds color but also ensures the pool is watertight and easy to maintain. These components are crucial for the pool's functionality. The skimmer, main drain, return jets, pool pump, and filter work together to keep your pool clean and safe. To make your pool more enjoyable, consider adding a pool heater for comfortable swimming year-round, a diving board for some fun, pool lights for ambience, and handrails for safety. Ensure easy access and safety with ladders or steps, a pool cover to keep the pool clean and reduce heat loss, and a pool fence to prevent unauthorized access. Keep your pool pristine with a pool skimmer basket and an automatic pool cleaner. You can also add water features for a touch of elegance. Finally, maintain water quality by regularly adding pool chemicals and using testing equipment to ensure a safe and inviting swimming environment. There you have it. By incorporating these components and following our interior design tips, you can transform your modern rectangular pool into a luxurious and functional space. Thanks for joining us today, and happy swimming. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.